Hey everybody, what's good? This is your girl Bella J. Today, I apologize, there is no Sunday morning chit chat. We are actually doing a reveal. I ordered Makiage. They had a promotion where you could test out their products for $5 and change. You pay for the shipping and handling. And if after 14 days you like it, you get charged $44. You know, I don't know what to say about that one, but you always should read the fine print, because when something seems so good to be true, it usually is. So I've already prepped and primed my face with Soap and Glory One Heck of a Blot Instant Perfecting Power Primer with Shine Block 12-hour matte sphere and pore shrink technology. And now we're gonna try this out, okay? So I will be using two brushes. I will be using my Echo Tools Complexion Buffer, and afterwards I will also be using this Echo Tools like a bamboo type maquillage. I chose the color Woke Up Like This. So this is the packaging. You have white and black. I learned about Makiage some years back when I used to work at 34th Street Sephora before they moved locations on 34th Street, the original site. And they used to carry Makiage, and I don't remember foundation back then. What I remember was their nail polish. I believe it's Phallic. It's a blue, a deep blue with shimmer or sparkles in it or something. It's gorgeous. I still have it there. So it came with this card. And these are reviews, and they give you the dates when the reviews were given. This is number 105 and Woke Up Like This. Packaging, which is cute. You get 1 fluid ounce, made in Italy, and this, it says 18 months. And mind you, when you have makeup in your room should be cool. It should not. Wherever your makeup is at needs to remain cool. There should be no humidity, no heat, no moisture. You want to keep everything dry and cool. Personally, that's my preference. Everything lasts long. Before we continue, I'm just going to give you a warning. My phone, or rather my fan, is on, and my neighbors are arguing. The cicadas are out, and you got the kids out and about. With that being said, let's continue with trying this bad boy on, shall we? I'm gonna fast forward it. Huh? Yes. I'm not a professional, just so you know that. I may have been on YouTube for 6 years, but I'm still learning every day. Let me bring you up close. Now, I have natural light in here. You can tell it's not extreme full coverage. And in order for me to truly get rid of the hairs, I would have to shave my face or do those new like a facial scraping, like, and then it takes off all the hair. I don't know if I'm ready for that yet, but what do you think? I don't know. I honestly don't know. I feel cakey. I feel like I have cake face. I'm looking at it. I don't know. I like it. It's not too bad. It's not too shabby. What do you think? And have you tried the Makiage foundations? Let me know what you think, and we can discuss it a little bit more. I don't know how I feel. I just think that hold that thought. I'm gonna pull down the shade just to see. What do you think? I don't know. I just feel at the end of the day, I feel cakey. It doesn't feel, well, it's not too bad. You know, if you have setting spray, you're fine, but I'm a sweat hog. No offense to Welcome Back Kotter for using that. My apologies, because I love that movie. But I sweat like a pig. I'm going through that change. I'm 47 years old, and the humidity outside, it's a killer today. But this is not too shabby. It's not too bad. I think I would lighten it up. I would use less. Just a tad. A very tad. With a little bit of a luminizer. Just a little bit. It's not too bad. Feels lightweight. It's for combination skin. I just don't like to see the foundation on my nose, and I can see it. And that's where editing pictures comes in. So I do have, you know, I have issues with that, so to speak. So we're gonna do this again. I'm gonna blot. Yeah, I could see it. At the end of the day, I don't like that. I don't care for it. No offense. This is a great foundation. I love the way it feels. I just don't like cake face. I am gonna try it out tomorrow using a little bit, very lightly, and see what happens there. Just, you know, on areas where I feel I would need it more. Not necessarily on my nose since my T-zone is oily, but maybe around here. We can check that out. If you would like to see that, which tomorrow is driving, I can do that either tomorrow or Tuesday, but I need to do that quick because if I'm going to send this back, I got to contact customer care and get that mailing address label, so they can print out, and I'll send it back. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know. Again, this video was not sponsored, and I bought this, and after I paid for it, it said, if you don't return it after 14 days, you get charged $44. Foundations are that expensive. But then again, people invest in their hair, their nails, and everything. So what's $44, especially if you get a good foundation that does well? Maybe I should try this out tomorrow on a regular work day. That's something to really think about. Y'all have a good evening.